Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Hogwarts Legacy black screen problem. First click here and then type background apps. Turn off the first option here and then type here device manager. And now go to display adapters, make sure to update all those drivers. And then close it and type here Windows update settings. And now install all the updates that you can find here and close it and then type task manager. Go to startup. Now just disable all the applications that you don't need, applications that you don't want to start when you start your PC, and that's right click and disable it. It's easy. And then click here and type graphics settings, enable this option, hardware accelerated, close it and then right click on your desktop, click NVIDIA control panel. Now just wait. And then once you're here, click use my preference, move it to performance, click apply and then close it. And now restart your PC, and after restarting your PC click here and then type task manager, and now click memory and memory to see applications that takes your memory like Google Chrome. Right click and close all the applications that you don't need here, Microsoft, and that's it. And now just try again and your problem will be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.